What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here and you haven't seen days 1 through wherever we're at right about now, mid-20s, go ahead and click the icon in the top right hand corner. You can check all those days out. We document new construction builds from the ground up. This place in particular, 17'6" plate heights, LSL studs, huge scissor truss roof, and it gets fun. You guys just look at that. That's beautiful. So we've got this corbel detail. Ties back into the trusses up a bit. 4x8 block up top, 4x8 tail goes out, 5 and 12 cut on the end. It looks just like this one here. So we're getting all those thrown in right now. I just did layout for them. They are going to run this whole side over here. From out there all the way over. Yesterday afternoon we ran that side all the way over to here. From there, we're gonna work on getting that side dialed in with our lookouts to where we can sheet. So these guys are getting corbels wrapped up. I'm gonna cut some more of them right now. I've got the beam saw out, stack of corbels to cut. Now we've got this little detail here on the bottom to match existing. So it's a 5 and 12 right there, as you guys can see. 22.5 is the degree. Nice straight cuts. That beam saw, you cannot get any better than that. We've been using that saw for over a year now. Still haven't changed the blade. I need to here soon. But if you guys don't know, the 16 and 5/16 blade does not come cheap. So we don't have starter ripping on a 5 and 12 up the rakes. Obviously they're just gonna be small little pieces going up. So the only thing we had to do to figure out how many pieces we needed is take the overall amount of pieces that aren't rakes, so 159 feet, divide it by 14, and it gives us a little over 11. So we cut 12 of them. All 12 are ready to go. Put it rough up, bevel in. Are you fighting with bees? Correct. So as we get closer to wrapping this place up, we're working mainly on the roof, doing all of our lookouts, all of our tails. For the most part, I've been staying down, making all of our cuts into our corbels, making sure we're pretty much stocked up on blocks and everything else. Letting these guys go nuts up top and do their thing. Therefore, most of the action you guys have seen has been down from below on a time lapse. Regardless though, I hope you're enjoying the series so far. We do have plenty of other videos that are jam-packed full of action. I-card in the top right-hand corner. Rolling trusses, always fun. Head-mounted point of view if you guys want to watch that. We are crushing it out here at our winery build series. We've got some fun planned for today. You can see the guys are working on lookouts right now. We still need to cut in the lookouts for up here, get those tossed in, along with finishing up corbels on this side. Concrete guys were out here pouring a mechanical pad, so we wanted to stay away from them. We definitely did not want to work on top of them. Keep in mind, these are 4 by 8 by 6 foot. If one of these things falls, especially from 18 feet up, chances are your head wouldn't feel too good. They just poured this yesterday. We still need to put in all of our corbels for up top. So I need to throw on some clothes to work in. Much better. Did you go with Andrew?
I went with Andrew.
So me and Q are gonna do some not so friendly competitions to see who can nail hardware out better. Keep in mind I haven't nailed up hardware in quite some time. So you got that one over there. How many you got? 3? I've got 3, you've got 3.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Do you want to race?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't think you're as quick as you think you are.
I'm not.
Wait, I got you. You by 2 nails. Not bad. I won though. All right, guys, it's kind of an odd day. It's Saturday. We came in, hammered down for a bit, and getting the heck out of here. So we sheeted out this little bit this afternoon. Jay and Fox did the corbels on this side. Today was probably one of the windiest days we have had in forever. Just so happens we're up on the roof too. Doesn't get much better than that. We're gonna go ahead and pack up some tools, get the heck out of here. We got family to hang out with. Ain't no reason to work all weekend. There you guys are. We're gonna head on out of here. It's been fun. Saturday work is never fun work, but we got some stuff done. Couldn't be happier. Corbels over there are done. We started sheeting over here. We've got about a half day left on this unit. We'll get all of our TNG down, do our fascia, and sheet that thing. That is all we have time for. I will catch you guys next time. Bang on.